Hello learners, today I am going to discuss the installation of Java. In order to install Java, just type on the search bar download Java. Then click on this link Java SE downloads. After clicking this link, this web page appears in which just click this link JDK download. When you click on this JDK download, then this web page appears in which you have to select the operating system for which you want to download Java. Like I want to download for Windows operating system 64-bit. Just click on this link. After clicking on this link, it will ask you to accept the Oracle Technology Network License Agreement. Just click this checkbox and then click on this download JDK. Then the download will start automatically. After this, when the download will finish, it will take some time. Then it will appear in your downloads like this. It will be a zip folder. Then what you have to do, just right click here and extract files. You can extract here. Then the files will be extracted. This folder will come. Then click on this folder till the bin. Now you need to copy this path. Just copy by clicking on the keyboard keys Ctrl+C. After copying this path, go to the control panel of your system. Control panel, system security, then system, then click on advanced system settings. In the advanced system settings, you have two sections, user variables and system variables. Now click on path variable, then click on edit. After clicking on edit, now click on new. Here you have to paste the path that you have copied. You can copy the path by pressing the keys from the keyboard Ctrl+V. Now the path is copied here. Just click OK to save all these settings. Now the path is copied. Now make a program in Java in Notepad. Like I have made this program first class, and then I want to print this statement, welcome to the world of Java. Now click on file, save as. You have to save this file with the name that you choose for your class. Like I have named it first class because my class name is first class. Then you have to put the extension .java. Then save as type, click on all files. And I have made a folder in C drive Java programs. This is the location. And I am saving all my Java programs in this particular folder. You can make this folder in C drive, D drive, wherever you want in your system. I have made it in C drive. Then click on save. Like I have already saved it, so I will say, do you want to replace it? Yes, I want to replace it because I have done little change in it. Then after saving this program, just go to your command prompt cmd by typing. Then here you have to change the path. For change the path, you have to type cd change directory, then copy the path where the folder is located, your Java programs. You have to copy this path by pressing Ctrl+C from the keyboard. After copying, you have to paste this path here in the command prompt, like I have done. Then press enter key. Now you have to run your program. Write down Java C. First you have to compile your program. Make sure the class name should be as it is as you have written earlier. There should be no change in the uppercase or lowercase. After compilation, you will get the file .class. See here, first class dot class. Earlier the file was first class dot java. Now after compilation the file will be created first class dot class, which is bytecode, intermediate code. Now you have to run it. Java, then write down name of the class, first class, and then press enter. Now it will show the output, welcome to the world of Java. So in this way you can run your Java programs. If you like this video, please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.